We celebrate Christmas, although only around 5% of Taiwanese are Christians, and it's not a public holiday here. Christmas vibes everywhere and also some promotions. Most people know about Santa Claus and some Christmas songs or exchange gifts. Let me show you some Christmas-related vocabulary and their Chinese radicals. If they belong to the top 20 Chinese radicals, I'll add a clock and a notification sound to remind you. Let's start. People celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ on Christmas, and Christmas is 圣诞节 in Chinese. 圣 means holy or ascent, while 诞 is birth or to be born. 节 is a festival or a holiday. 圣诞老人 or 圣诞老公公. Both 老人 and 老公公 means an old man. When we use repetition of characters in Chinese, such as 老公公, it gives a cute and formal vibe. Christmas meal, 圣诞大餐. 大 is big and 餐 is a meal. How about Christmas dinner? Dinner, 晚餐 and one evening or night. At Christmas dinner, would see a roast turkey, 烤火鸡. To roast is to 烤, and the Chinese radical is on the left, 火, which means fire, as we use fire to roast. 火鸡, a turkey, and a chicken. 鸡. Mashed potatoes are 马铃薯泥. 马铃薯 is a potato, and 泥 is mud, describing the mashed texture. How about Christmas decorations? Christmas trees, 圣诞树, a tree, and the radical is 木 on the left side. Christmas lights are 圣诞灯. 灯 is light, and the radical 火, fire, on the left because we lit by fire. Christmas stockings are 圣诞袜, and the radical 衣, cloth, on the left because stockings relates to cloth. I love Christmas vibe and wish you a Merry Christmas. 圣诞快乐. 快乐 is happy. If you want to learn more about the top 20 Chinese radicals, watch this video next. See you soon.